Hey everyone, welcome back to Pieuler. If you are new here, I'm excited to have you join me on this journey through the world of coding challenges, starting with some of the more approachable problem on LeetCode. Whether you are just getting started with coding or looking to sharpen your problem solving skill, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Today we are diving into easy category problem. As you can see here, the problem number is 1768, named merge string alternatively. Okay, so this is a great example how we can solve real world coding challenges by breaking them down into manageable steps. It's just not about finding the right answer, but about understanding the process and learning how to think like a coder. Okay, so we're given a two string, word 1 and word 2. Okay, we have to merge the string in alternating order. Okay, starting with word 1. Okay, you have to highlight that you have to start merging the string from word 1. Okay, it is good. Okay, you have to catch it here. Okay, we have to read the whole the question and we have to return the merge string. Okay, so um basically we will do is we will uh, include one variable that will be named merge string and it will be empty. Okay, we have to return merge string. So and we have given examples. So let me clarify you. We have a two string word 1 and word 2. Our task is to merge the string together but with a twist. You have to alternate the character from each string as you build the merge string. So for example number 1, the word 1 is ABC, okay, as you can see, and word 2 is PQR. And the merge string is APBQCR. Okay, notice how we start the first character of word 1, then take the first character of word 2. Okay, then continue alternating until we have all the character from the word string. But here it is interesting. What if one string is longer than the other? In the case once you have alternated as far as possible, you will simply append in the remaining character from the longer string. So and the most result. Okay, so in example number 2, as you can see, word 1 is, sorry, here is example number 2. Word 1 is slightly lesser in length than word 2. It has only 2 character. It has a word 2 has a 4 character. So the first character is from word 1. The output will be, the merge will be A, then word 2 B, then uh, the second character from the word 1, that will be B, then the second character from word 2, that is Q. Then the remaining there are no remaining character in word 1, so we will take the remaining character from word 2 and merge it at the last. Okay, so RS will be at last. Okay, and the example number 3 shows the other example where word 1 is greater in character than word 2. Okay, so we will look for it. Now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the our step-by-step solution. Okay, first I have initialized the merge string, as you can see. Next, I will loop through each string. Okay, both string basically. Okay, so I will use the for loop here. Okay, for I and ij in. I am using zip function. I will clarify why I am using the zip function here. No, I will use word 1 and word 2 here. Okay, so basically what the g function do is that if you don't know, you can just learn it. So basically the function of the g is that uh, it automatically under the pairing of the character. Okay, so first it will, the I will contain the first character of word 1 and j will contain the second character of word 2. And the most beautiful thing is that of it will end the iteration once after purchasing the last character of the shorter string. Okay, so if the word 1 is shorter or word 2 is shorter, it will end without causing any error. So in case you don't want to use if here, you use a simple loop, okay, and then you can use the exceptional ending, that is try and except. So the code will be longer, okay, so you have to use to try and except, okay. So I'm using just a zip here, I will show you. Okay, now I will concat I will merge this string, okay. uh, uh, I have used the I and j as a variable, so I will merge them. Now I have to look use, if the both of them have the same characters, same number of characters, then we have to just return the merge string that we have done here, okay. So I will check by using length function, okay. If the length of our merge string that we have created is equals to my bad here, the length of what one and what to combine, then what should we do? We have to just return though. We don't need to loop again or do something stupid. We will just return the value here. Okay, that is our merge string. Now we will return our merge string. Nothing crazy up to here. Now what if the length is not equal? Okay. What if the our length of our merge string is not equal? Then we have a second case that what we have two cases basically. The way example number 2 and example number 3. If what 1 is greater or what 2 is greater, so we will check one condition that if length of what 1 is greater, okay, bear with me here, okay. If the length of what 1 is greater than the length of what 2, okay, then basically the case is from the example number 3. Now we have to loop again, and where to loop? So I will use for x in range, okay. I have to look from the word that is the smallest. So in this case the smallest word is word 2, so I will look from word 2 to word length of word 1, okay. So basically look here, if the PQ has just finished, it is the PQ, okay. The PQ has just been finished, right. We are looking in example number 3, okay. Oh my bad here, I should use the len function here. Len, okay, my bad. So look, for 2 as 0 1 at the 1, okay, 1 index. From the 1 index it has been ended, so we'll start from the 1 index of the word 1, so that is 0 and 1, it hasn't finished. So that is A, then B, then B, then Q, then it will start from the C, okay. So len will return the length of the character, so length will be the length will be 2, so it will start from the 2 index, that is C. So it will start from the C, and in word 1, and in the length of word 1 minus 1, that is the length is 4 here, but the we know that it will return 4, but uh, the range function only act with n minus 1, okay, so up to 3. So I think you know the basic here, okay. So what we will do is we will merge our string again, okay, with x, with the x index of the word 1 here, Now we'll use the else if the word to is greater. So basically you can use it in else. Okay, and you will just copy the rest of it and just change the wordings and it will be fine. So we'll use the else and we'll paste it for action range line word 1 instead of line word 2 we'll use line word 1 and we'll use line word 2 and here also we'll use line word 2 and at last after this okay return our most string okay and let's run it. I guess it is good to go. Here the line number 14 is showing mistake. Oh no, there is a okay, my bad. Return string. Now it will run. Okay, it is shifted all the cases. Case on runtime is 47 milliseconds, so it is good to go here. So if you like the video, if you find it is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Pieuler for more LeetCode content. Okay, see you in the next one. And if you have any query about it, you can comment it below. Okay, bye.